Curriculum Studies in Chemistry, ESC 216. This is Unit 1, Session 3, Elements of Curriculum. This session will take you through the various elements of curriculum we have. I am your course facilitator, Nihad Goni. Let's start. By the end of the session, you should be able to explain 1. The elements of curriculum, 2. The relationship between the various elements of curriculum. There are 4 elements of curriculum that are in constant interaction. There are 1. The purpose, also known as the goals and objectives. 2. The content or subject matter. 3. The methods or learning experience. And 4. Evaluation. And look at the interrelatedness of the elements of curriculum. The purpose, made up of the goals and objectives of the curriculum, greatly decides or influences the methods or the learning experience, and also the content or subject matter. The content and subject matter decides which methods of teaching and the learning experiences that should be used. Both the learning experiences or methods and the content and subject matter decide the kind of evaluation or the performance measurement for them. The evaluation is also used to check on the performance of both the methods and the content that has been imbibed in the curriculum. The evaluation then takes us back to the purpose, check whether the goals and objectives have been achieved. For the purpose of the curriculum, which is also its goals and objectives, let's use this chart to easily understand the whole concept. The purpose of a curriculum is based on the social aspirations of the society the curriculum will be developed for. It outlines the goals and aims of the program, the curriculum program, and it is expressed as goals and objectives that target the cognitive, the psychomotor, and the affective nature of the humans involved. You should note that the curriculum reflects the relevance of whatever the society deems to be important. That is basically the purpose of the curriculum. The content or subject matter. The content of the curriculum is divided into bodies of knowledge. For example, the body of knowledge could be chemistry in this regard. In others, it could be biology, mathematics, English language, among others. The content outlines the desired attitudes and values, and it includes the cherished skills that should be imbibed when you take that course or that body of knowledge. It is determined by already existing prevailing theories of knowledge, and it should cater for the ideology, the vocational and technical considerations. You should also note that for a curriculum, the content should be applicable to the solutions of the problems affecting the society which uses it. Therefore, the content that is developed for every curriculum should look at the problems facing that society and then make sure that the content reflects imbibing the various skills that will be needed to solve the problems of the society. The methods. The methods outlined in a curriculum, it deals with the teaching and learning experiences and also involve the organizational strategies. The teaching and learning experiences involve the teaching approaches and strategies, and then the learning approaches and styles of the students. How does the teacher help the learner to easily understand the concept or the content, which will help for the purpose of the curriculum to be achieved? The method should be flexible to also facilitate learning, to make learning easier and interesting for the learners. Evaluation is a very important element in the curriculum process because of a number of reasons. Let's look at its uses. 1. It is used to select appropriate content based on the aims and objectives of the curriculum. 2. It helps to select appropriate methods to address the content and purpose. 3. It is used to check the effectiveness of methods and learning experiences used. 4. It helps to check on the suitability and the appropriateness of the curriculum in answering social needs. 5. It gives feedback to the planners, learners, teachers, the industry, and the society as a whole. And 6. It provides a rationale for making changes. We should note that in conducting evaluations, judgments must be made regarding the input, means, content, outputs, and outcomes of the whole learning process. These outcomes help to make changes or sustain areas that might have been productive. Some self-assessment questions for you. 1. Take the four elements of curriculum and show how they are related. 2. The four elements that make up a curriculum are surrounded by a context that affects different aspects of the element. Name the components of the context in which a curriculum is designed and implemented. We have come to the end of this session. In this session, we took a look at the elements of curriculum, the four elements, and their interrelationship between them. Thank you and see you in our next session. Bye.